Hello everyone, today we look at the 3D sketch concept. Already we have discussed 2D sketches, so we will look at how to draw 3D sketches, especially these 3D sketches needed when you want to sketch a 2D drawing, but if you want to change the planes, you need to use these 3D sketches. For an example, if you want to draw something like a chair frame of a chair, uh, this is not in a single plane, this sketch is not in a single plane, so you need to switch the planes. So this is the sketch I have to do, and we need to use the sweep tool and get the pipe shape. So I'll show you with an example how to work with 2D sketches. I will start with the fresh drawing. So when we have to select a starting plane as usual. I'll select the starting plane as the top plane, or else yeah, we'll start with this method. Then normally if you click here, this is the 2D sketch technique we are going to start. When you start this, it's a 2D sketch, so here we cannot use that method. You need to select a plane. You come here and select the 3D sketch directly. So 3D sketch was selected. Now now we can see some arrows are generated, and some tools are started. So you cannot draw polygon shape, these close shapes like slot shapes and ellipse using 3D sketches. Line tool, circle tool, lines, and some of the other tools are working. If I start the line tool now, then I'm getting two red arrows, meaning that now I am in XY plane. So if you look at our coordinate system, I am in XY plane now, and I can draw whatever the things available in XY plane, and these two arrows shows the XY directions. So you can go minus Y as well as minus X direction, no problem with that. So if I want to draw a shape like a frame, now I am traveling in X and Y directions. I can travel in minus Y, minus X, minus Y directions as well. Now if I go with along X direction, I have drawn a line along X direction. So if I want to travel in Y direction, we can do no problem. Now I am in still I am in the same XY plane. But if you travel this way, uh, will it change your planes? You do it and see. It won't change your planes. It's still you are in XY plane. Your eyes are deceiving you. So if you go these other directions, actually you are not traveling in those directions. You are still in XY plane. See, it's deceiving your eyes. So please be careful. It will uh, lead to a wrong drawing. So I'll undo this. Now start again. Now if I want to change the direction, we start from the beginning. Now I am in 3D sketches. I'm traveling in X direction, went in Y direction. Now if you want to change the planes, what is the method? We have to press the tab key. When you press the tab key, now you are in YZ plane. YZ plane. So I can travel in Z direction now. Now this is the 3D sketch concept. So you understood? I changed the planes, and now I'm traveling in Z direction. Now I can go in this minus Y direction also, no issues with that. Now I have to travel this way, it's not valid because I am still in YZ plane. So I have to switch the plane by pressing the tab key. Now I got the ZX plane. We can travel in minus direction, no minus x direction, no issues. So I completed my design in 3D sketch method. So these 3D sketches are needed, especially when you do weldments. So we our lessons, we are not going to look at this now. Weldment theory deal with 3D sketcher. You can see this 3D button is working. So now I can make these things equal, and I can add fillets, whatever the things I like. So I'll try to add some relations. This is equal to, then this line is equal to this line. If you want, I can dimensions also, no issues, no problem. It's like a normal 2D sketch now. It's 90 here. This may be 20, maybe 60. Now if I want, I can add trim tools working, and move tools are working. You can see linear patterns, all those are not working. Mirror tools are not working, but fillet tool is working, chamfers fillet. So if you want, you can add the fillet point, and mentions is fillet. Okay. Now this is my complete 3D sketch. So I'll exit from here. Now if I want to add the pipe shape, we have to use the sweep tool. To use the sweep tool, we have to have a profile. Now this is the path drawn already. So I'll create the profiles now. At this point, okay, plane is created. Then on this to plane, we can draw the profile shape. It. Now we run the sweep tool, profile, and the path. You see how it works. So I generated the 3D frame. So this can be really handy when you do complex designs, and the sketches can be in 3D. So weldments also working with this way, but the weldments you can get download the weld members, so you don't need to draw the profiles. So because there are standard shapes available, so you can download these as a library and use them directly without drawing the profiles one by one. So weldments are much more faster than the sweep tool in welding designs. So if you are interested, you can learn about this. This is not a big area to learn. So we will look at the other techniques in a while. So we have a tutorial from this 3D sketch concept, second tutorial. So you can try this. Also, we'll also upload the solution. So you can try this and try to draw the frame. Actually, we have given a question in past exams using 3D sketches. So to refer these things thoroughly, there might be a question from 3D sketches in your exam. So we will look at curve techniques now.